Hello, this is Chris Rochnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing the Olloclip case and photography kit for enthusiasts. We saw one of these kits at CES and we thought, oh, that's cool, we got to try one out. And this case right here is for the iPhone XS Max. So you can see it's quite big. And the reason why they're doing cases is because people had to take their case off before to use the camera technology. Now it just slips right on. As you can see, it has a slip point here and it clips right in. So how great is that? So this is a case for the XS Max iPhone. And then this is a photography kit made by InCase partnership with Olloclip. I've been using Olloclip since the first version. I actually went to a store and purchased their first clip on my iPhone. So here's the case right here for all the little goodies. There's a lot of documentation up here as well, but this is where the fun starts down here. So here's one lens right there, and these are made out of glass, not plastic, and they have a nice cover. So that will fit in right there. And here's another attachment piece in here. So this is almost like a GoPro mount, but it's for the camera kit. Here's another lens. This is a bigger lens. Look how beautiful that looks. We love mobile photography. We do a lot with video and stills, but mostly video now. So this will take our video to the next level. Nice cover there, and it slips in right there. So that's two lenses so far. And then here's the third lens. This one's getting a little bit heavier. And look at that, amazing glass. It's like catnip for mobile photography enthusiasts right here. We love the glass. So that slips on, and then this is the piece to connect in the back. And they said that once you buy this kit, this is good for future versions of the iPhone as well. Obviously the case might change a little bit, but you just swap out the case and then you can use the kit again. And then we'll get in here. So this is one of their handle devices here for the phone. Right there is where you attach the phone, and you can use that grip. It's a grip mount right there. And then this is the piece that goes over the phone. And what we like about this is it extends downward, or outward I should say. So no matter how thick it will get with the case, it will fit on there. So we like that technology. And then this is the cover with one of the lenses right there. Again, more glass. Love the glass right there. And then that goes over. That's a macro fisheye lens right there. And then they give you a little case as well. And then we have one more goodie in the side right here. Take the cover off and see what's underneath. And one more small lens for this kit right there. And as you can see, this fits in just like the larger lens pieces into the case and clip. So this piece here would go into this piece here, which connects to the case here. So it goes right over and it will connect, and then you can use the lenses on the phone however you wish. They also have a kit where it does lens mounts for the selfie camera on the front of the phone as well. So we like that idea. This is from Olloclip, and it's a complete mobile photography kit. You get multiple lenses. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lenses in this kit. So very cool. We can't wait to try it out and get ready for some new Instagram images and images on Twitter, as well as video on YouTube. You can find me 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thanks.